The array modifier has many purposes in Blender. These may include making a path or a fence. The array modifier allows you to perfectly duplicate an object as many times as you want. In this video, I will be going over the basics on how to use the array modifier. I will show you how to duplicate objects a certain number of times, duplicate an object over a certain distance, and how to create space in between each object. When in Blender, you want to select the object that you want to duplicate and go to the Modifiers tab. Next, press Add Modifier and select the Array modifier. Now you will see a second object appear. To begin with, I'll show you how to set a specific number of objects. To do this, change the number in the box titled Count. Increasing this number will increase the number of cubes. Now to set the number of objects to a set distance, select Fix Count and select Fit Length. Now changing the number titled Length will increase the number of duplicated objects for that set distance. Finally, to add space between each object, go to the Relative Offset tab and change the X, Y, and Z values. These will make the objects offset on the X, Y, and Z axis.